Here at the entrance of the market, you have the Chinese gate and a nice view of the canal. Good evening. I'm here at the Sam Yacht Station, and the reason that I'm here is because there is a nice night market at the Ong Ang Canal, and the best way to get there is to take the MRT here. See, we're having a nice evening light. Yeah, a lot of construction going on here. So this is going to be the connection between the blue MRT and the purple MRT. So the market starts right here. The Ong Ang Canal was constructed in 1783 during the reign of King Rama I, and it's part of the outer defensive wall of Ratanakosin Island, the old city center of Bangkok. You can see it's a big market here. There's going to be a lot of live music, performances. By the way, here you have the 3D printed bridge. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite canals here in the city, especially when there is a festival like this. So if you look closely, you must have seen Bangkok Pet. He was just passing by. This festival opens every day at 9 o'clock in the morning and it closes at 9:30 in the evening, and it will take place until the 31st of July. Especially this part of the market normally is empty. There's nothing to do here, but it's nice during these kind of festivities. And it's part of a bigger festivity. There are actually 5 different canals that will have festivities from the 24th until the 31st, including the Krung Kasem Canal, which is next to Hua Lampong, and the canal next to the Mahakan Fortress in the Khao San area. This is a typical Thai street food market, and as you can see, a lot of Thai people are here. You don't see that many tourists. And this is the perfect place to get your som tam, to get your pad Krapao. All the Thai favorites will be available, and a lot of Indian and Chinese dishes as well. So if you are a food lover, come and have a look here. Enjoy it together with the Thai. It will get busier in the evening, so come around 5 or 6 o'clock when you have a nice sunset, you have the lights coming on. Perfect time to come. Plenty of security here to make sure that everything runs smooth. You might see that I'm sweating. It's actually not that hot at the moment, but with all the cooking, it gets really hot. This whole area is part of Chinatown, and if you walk Yaowarat Road all the way until the end, you end up here at the Ong Ang Canal as well. We are around the corner of Song Wat, where you have the very famous night market as well, so it's very easy to combine. I can definitely recommend to come here, and easy to reach with the MRT taking the MRT to the Songwha station, exit number 1. That's actually one of my favorites. I'm gonna come back later for trying the chestnuts. This canal used to be covered with shop houses, and they removed them all in 2015, and since then they cleared the canal. They actually paved all the sidewalks here. Since then the canal has become a kind of a walking street. If you want to visit the walking street, you can always come here in the weekend, then all the markets are open and you can find all kinds of different restaurants and shops, mostly Thai, Chinese and Indian style. There are a lot of Indian restaurants in this part, and this is because we are around the corner from Little India. And I was here actually last year when there was a big Diwali festival. You know, there's always time for good food in Thailand. As you can see on this side of the canal, it's a little bit less busy. Oh! I realize every year when I come here, I see this dog here on the canal. Must be from the owner. Yeah, and this side is a little bit more relaxed. There are a lot less people. And this is where you have the normal shops. Yeah, around 4 or 5 years ago, they completely renovated this canal. This used to be a community that was on top of the canal. Yeah, it almost looks like the canals in Amsterdam, right? Sawadee krap. You know, I always love these cleaning crews that are making sure the city stays clean. And if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I regularly make posts about them. So here you have a bit of an art wall. From here you have a nice view of the canal as well, with the bridge in the back. still the best way to get around, right? With a bicycle. Actually have some cool posters in here. Nice little vintage shop. Sawadee krap. Chop mak mak. So we are back here at the Printed Bridge. Anyway, if you happen to be in Bangkok, I would recommend come and have a look here at the Ong Ang Canal. This will be here until the 31st of July. As I showed you in the beginning of the video, it's very easy to get here. You just go to the Sam Yot MRT station, cross the street, and you're at the market. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.